Walmart has started making its first deliveries by drone, launching a small pilot program recently in Fayetteville, North Carolina. The retailer will be delivering select groceries and household essential items using automated drones operated by an Israeli startup, Flytrex. Each of the drones can fly at speeds of 32 miles an hour, travel distances of up to 6.2 miles in a round trip, and can carry 6.6 pounds. That's roughly 6 to 8 hamburgers, according to converted units offered on Flytrex's own website. Now, a demo video of the drone shows how it lowers packages to the ground from 80 feet in the air rather than having to land itself. Flytrex received approval from the FAA to test food deliveries in North Carolina recently, with caveats that its drones can only fly predetermined routes in the daytime over unpopulated areas. Walmart has offered few details on the program, including how many drones are involved in its pilot program and what checks, if any, customers need to make before receiving a delivery. We know that it will be some time before we see millions of packages delivered via drones, said Walmart Senior Vice President Tom Ward in a news post. That still feels a little bit like science fiction. But we're at a point where we're learning more and more about the technology that is available and how we can use it to make our customers' lives easier. Walmart has been looking into drone delivery for many years now, making its first tests way back in 2015 and experimenting with using drones to check inventory in its warehouses in 2016. Moving from internal tests to customer deliveries is a big step, though. Although delivery drones have been on the horizon for many years, a number of challenges like safety regulations and, of course, the high costs compared to traditional delivery have slowed adoption. Walmart, though, no doubt has one eye on its biggest rival, Amazon, which last month received approval from the FAA to operate as a drone airline within the United States, paving the way for larger commercial operations. Walmart seems to be avoiding the need for direct certification by contracting its drone operations to Flytrex, however, which is already part of the FAA's UAS integration pilot program. Walmart also recently launched a new subscription service, Walmart Plus, to compete with Amazon Prime. Check this out. This spring, a team of small drones, each resembling a small sensor-laden helicopter, scoured a lush stretch of wilderness near Irvine, California. They spent hours circling the sky, seeking, among other things, surface-to-air missile launchers lurking in the brush. The missiles they found weren't enemy ones. They were props for early test flights of a prototype military drone stuffed with artificial intelligence, the latest product from Anduril, a defense tech startup founded by Palmer Luckey, the creator of Oculus Rift. The new drone, the Ghost 4, shows the potential for AI in military systems. Luckey says it's the first generation that can perform various reconnaissance missions, including searching an area for enemy hardware or soldiers under the control of a single person on the ground. The vehicle uses machine learning, the method behind most modern AI, to analyze imagery and identify targets, but it also relies on more conventional rules-based software for critical control and decision-making among swarm teammates. Luckey says the drones can carry a range of payloads, including systems capable of jamming enemy communications or an infrared laser to direct weapons at a target. In theory, the drone could be fitted with its own weapons. It would be possible, he says, but nobody's done it yet. The company, which is also developing a virtual reality platform for patrolling the U.S. border with Mexico, aims to shake up the defense industry with a playbook borrowed from Silicon Valley. Instead of waiting for direction from the Pentagon, it develops products internally that it then hopes to sell to the military. It also looks to miniaturize consumer technologies such as AI and VR, and to develop prototypes more quickly and cheaply. Thanks for watching your weekly tech update. If you have a story you think we need to feature on the program, shoot me an email, djraymcneil@gmail.com. Find us on Facebook at Your Weekly Tech Update, and check out the podcast. Audio and video versions available on iTunes, Google, Spotify, Audio Burst, and elsewhere on the interwebs. Till next time, I'm Ray McNeil. Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. And now, here's your moment of joy. Your Weekly Tech Update brought to you by Holiday Home Care, Phillip Island, Victoria, Australia. It's your turn to relax. Before you get on holiday on the island, contact Holiday Home Care. We can set up your residence or holiday rental, do the shopping for you, provide linen and towels, and make sure it's all ready by the time you get here, giving you more time to enjoy what Phillip Island has to offer. For more information, visit holidayhomecarepi.com or email holidayhomecarepi@gmail.com.